how can the Willow System help you in your career? People usually come with issues of, oh, I don't get enough money, I have to work way too hard, and actually I don't like my job anymore. You know, it's like, oh, draining and exhausting. So they try to fit into something that doesn't fit to them. They feel very, very exhausted, sick, sometimes even depressed. No motivation anymore, no joy anymore. So what we do is, we found out in that session where you have to put yourself in alignment with what you truly want. Because when you do what you're good at and where you're like a fish in the water, in the ocean, you know, then you do it effortlessly. When you're aligned with your life purpose, with your vision and mission, and also with what you want to contribute, this can shift from one moment to the next. Even though you might not know all those steps yet, you don't have to. Once you find that alignment, you're ready to do the next step that's necessary, and then you can go from there. This is doable. This is really doable, no matter how long you got stuck in the other thing. So if you feel like you have a birthright to find that life purpose and to live it, to express it, to step into your creativity, please call me or email me. Let's find what it is for you together that makes it easier.